In a world where net worth determines self-worth, one television series exposed the brutal reality of how power is truly brokered in America. But what happens when an unstoppable force of unlimited capital meets an immovable object of federal law? To understand the modern battlefield of Wall Street, you must understand the war fought in billions. Welcome to Ansh Kashyap. Today, we are breaking down the Showtime drama Billions, a series that ran from 2016 to 2023 and redefined the genre of financial thrillers. This is not just a story about rich people. It is a dissection of the psychological warfare between a United States attorney and a hedge fund king. At the core of the series lies a singular, explosive rivalry. On one side is Chuck Rhoades, the ruthlessly ambitious U.S. attorney for the Southern District of New York. On the other is Bobby Axelrod, a brilliant but corrupt billionaire hedge fund manager. While Rhoades represents the strict hand of justice, Axelrod represents the boundless freedom of capitalism. However, the show reveals that neither man is truly a hero or a villain. Both are willing to destroy everyone around them, including their own families, just to claim victory. But this war is complicated by one specific person who stands directly in the crossfire. Wendy Rhoades is Chuck's wife, but she is also the in-house performance coach at Axelrod's firm, Axe Capital. She possesses a unique hold over both men, serving as the psychological anchor that keeps them from completely unraveling. Her character proves that in the world of high finance, understanding human behavior is more valuable than any algorithm. What makes this narrative truly compelling is that it is not entirely fiction. The series was inspired by real-life federal prosecutions of financial crimes in New York. Chuck Rhoades is loosely based on Preet Bharara, a former U.S. attorney known for his crusade against insider trading. Bobby Axelrod draws heavy inspiration from Stephen A. Cohn, the founder of SAC Capital, whose firm faced massive legal battles. By mirroring reality, Billions offers an educational glimpse into how the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Department of Justice actually operate. As the series progressed over 7 seasons, the binary conflict evolved into a multi-front war. The introduction of Taylor Mason, a mathematical genius, brought a new cold logic to the emotional battles of the older generation. Later, the arrival of Mike Prince, a billionaire who claimed to be ethical, challenged the idea that all vast wealth must be dirty. This shifted the show's focus from simple greed to a complex debate about the morality of possessing $1 billion. By its finale in 2023, Billions had completed a full circle, proving that alliances in finance are temporary, but ambition is permanent. It remains a definitive study of how the pursuit of absolute power corrupts absolutely. Thank you for watching this explanation on Ansh Kashyap.